Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp account in your Android cell phone. For this, first you have to make sure that you have downloaded WhatsApp application in your phone. If you have not downloaded WhatsApp application, go and download it first. Go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If it's already installed, go to the Open. Go to the Agree and Continue. This means that you have agreed to the terms and services and privacy and policy of the WhatsApp. And then you have to enter the phone number in which you want to register your WhatsApp. So let's enter your phone number. And then go to the next. If you haven't selected the country code, you have to select it first and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you have to go to the next. It will start connecting. And then they will send you a verification code in your cell phone number. So here my phone has automatically added the verification code. If not, then you have to copy it from the messages and then paste it. Now continue and allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Also allow WhatsApp to access your photos, media and devices. So if your account was already installed in it, you will see the option about backup, restore and backup skip. You can restore all the data or you can also skip that. I want to restore it, so I will go with the restore. It will take some time. And if you don't want your data to restore and you want a new account, you can go to the skip as well. Go to the next and enter your name here. And go to the next. So it is initializing. After that, your account is being. So you can also here choose the backup if you want it to go with daily or monthly or never. And go to the done. So now your account has been created. Thank you.